is Dory in this one? Or do they separate Dory and her family?
She can't find her.
You're gonna be the next exhibit.
I see fishes too. Class said, do you?
Chris, what's your favorite? You like the yellow one? You like the yellow, blue, and white one? Yeah. Oh, the blue one, the black one. It says Council Grade. You sure that's not a Council Grade?
This panther. Oh, look, there's sea urchins in there too.
Yeah, let's fix these stuff in. Right here.
No, that was actually it has to be saltwater.
Yes. No, it's freshwater, and they're not going to last much longer. Yes, Jack, this is saltwater. Yes, Jack just asked that question. Jack, I'm sorry. You walked into that.
Yes, I did. Yes.
Oh, these are saltwater creatures. Yes, this is saltwater.
Yeah.
I can't let him pass. You see creatures. What question did you ask me, Jack?
I said, I wonder if it's saltwater.
It was overfit.
These creatures
That one, no, that one's second.
is saltwater.
Because there's some freshwater. Okay. Oh.
Take a picture of it. I know, right?
Oh my god! No, no way!
Go in there. Go in there. Yeah.
This is for children. I am not such a child.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Go in there. Go in there. Wait, no,
It's not an intelligent question.
No, it's not. I hate to say it. Was that an intelligent question, Jacob? Jack, you are a very smart person. You are.
Yeah.
That was not a smart question.
That sounds like the same would say something. The sage would be like, you're a very smart person. Don't ever say that. we get something to eat?